Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is Lota. Welcome to my home cooking recipes. Today I will cook carbonara hot buldak ramen. This ramen is cheesy and creamy. This is an authentic food of South Korea. South Korea is a very beautiful and expensive country. Many people love to travel in South Korea. Korean foods are now becoming very famous in many countries. Korean foods are very delicious and tasty. Guys, before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Share my videos to your friends. Give this video a big thumbs up. Check out my YouTube channel for more new delicious and healthy recipes. Now let's see what we need to cook this recipe.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more new delicious recipes.